hey new subbies, if you didn't know what subbies are, they are subscribers. So hey guys, thank you so much for tuning into this DIY. I have my boyfriend's shirt, by the way. He's gonna kill me. Anyway, so I had a bunch of people inquiring about how to measure yourself the right way. So I'm going to go into that in detail with you guys, and then I'm also going to show you guys how to insert a zipper in more detail, just because people inquired about that too. So let's get started. This part can be a bit tricky even for the best of us, so definitely pay attention and just try to visualize how your zipper will actually be when it's on the right way, pretty much. So just take your time and make sure you're doing it right. For starters, I didn't make anything new, so I just pretty much used a scrap piece of fabric, but this is going to be like the back of your skirt or dress or your pants. And you're pretty much just going to take your zipper and flip it over. So your zipper, your zipper clasp would be facing the actual material. So just flip it inside out so that way you can pin it down and get ready to sew. Once you pin down your fabric on both sides, you can go ahead and proceed to sew it down. Also, try to sew as close to the zipper teeth as much as you can, just because that gives you a nice crisp edge and it just looks better and more professional. There's your zipper, guys. I hope you enjoyed this fun, easy, super short DIY. Also, I'll definitely be doing zippers again, so if you didn't catch it this time or you didn't quite understand, I'll definitely go into more detail in another video. But yeah, thanks for watching.